Welcome everybody, welcome to the Forsage presentation overview. My name is Carl from financialfreedomacademics.com, and in this video I will show you everything about this life-changing system, my real income proof, and make sure to watch this video till the very end as I have something life-changing for you, my exact strategy, how I achieve the income I will show you from the income proof, and I will give you this for free, so make sure to stay to the very end. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to post them below the video in the comment section. I'm happy to answer all your questions, and let's start with my income proof after the intro. Alright, welcome back. Before we start with the overview, I want to show you my real income proof of two accounts I manage. So let's log into the back end of the first account. As you can see, in the last months, this account generated $225,694. Let's go to my second account. This account generated $107,586. This is only the tip of the iceberg. Let's go to the sales page to see more income proofs. Let's scroll down, and there's our image carousel somewhere here. Like, he made 827,000, he made 830,000, he made 685,000, 479,000, and so on. And this system was only invented in February 2020, so this is insane. And as I told you, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I want to show you something very big, the exact strategy I use to make this income happen. So let's continue with the overview of this system.
In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how you can earn Ethereum daily, paid directly and instantly to your own Ethereum wallet, just like thousands of people around the world. Introducing the world's first 100% decentralized matrix project programmed on an Ethereum smart contract called Forsage, where 100% of the income goes directly and transparently to the members of the project with zero risk. Forsage's genius and lucrative matrix marketing plan was programmed on the Ethereum blockchain with revolutionary smart contract technology that executes the program automatically in a decentralized way, so no admins are needed to run the project. It's impossible for project creators or anyone to change the code and execution of the smart contract, and that is extremely powerful, as it ensures the project will keep running and there is zero risk or possibility of hacking into the smart contract or stopping the project. Unlike centralized cryptocurrency projects, the founders of Forsage never take or store members' cryptocurrency in any centralized location, so it's completely secure. 100% of all Ethereum payments are sent instantly and directly to the members of Forsage and stored in their personal Ethereum wallets, which they control the private keys. You can easily verify all of the transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, as the project is fully transparent. Right now, over 2,000 people are joining the Forsage project worldwide every single day. With Forsage's decentralized project, you can get started with as little as 0.5 Ethereum, and the income potential is literally unlimited. You can earn even 1,000 Ethereum or more. Since February 2020, Forsage has helped thousands of people earn Ethereum, and some have earned hundreds of Ethereum in their first 3 to 8 weeks of getting started. Like the following Forsage members: ID 8679 earned 379 ETH. ID 8648 earned 301 ETH. ID 64 earned 466 ETH. ID 1 earned 843 ETH. ID 7977 earned 299 ETH. ID 113 earned 209 ETH. And by the time you check these IDs publicly on the blockchain, they will have earned even more Ethereum. Thanks to the powerful and lucrative Forsage Matrix spillover plan, it is possible to earn Ethereum even without referring anyone to the project. Just like, for example, ID 11181, who earned 28 ETH, and ID 20920, 24 ETH with 0 referrals. How does the Forsage work? In the Forsage X3 program, below you are 3 places in one line. In the Forsage X4 program, below you are 2 lines, 2 places in the first line, and 4 places in the second line. When you register in Forsage with 0.05 ETH, you open both programs simultaneously. In each of these 2 programs, Forsage X3 and Forsage X4, there are 12 slots. Each subsequent slot you purchase is 2 times the value of the previous one, and it generates twice the income as well. Each slot generates you income unlimited times with no expiration. For example, the 0.1 ETH slot generates you 0.1 ETH over and over again. The 0.2 ETH slot generates you 0.2 ETH again and again. Then 0.4 ETH, 0.8 ETH, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH, 6.4 ETH, 12.8 ETH, 25.6 ETH, and 51.2 ETH slots generate you 0.4 ETH, 0.8 ETH, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH, 6.4 ETH, 12.8 ETH, 25.6 ETH, and 51.2 ETH respectively over and over again an unlimited amount of times. In Forsage X3, you get 100% of the payment to your ETH wallet from spots 1 and 2. Spot 3 reopens the slot again, and payment goes to your upline. In Forsage X4, members who take 2 places below you in the first line go to your upline, or they spill over to someone else on your team. You receive 100% of the payments on the second line. Spots 3, 4, and 5 go to your wallet, while spot 6 reopens this slot's matrix again with empty spots, and payment goes to your upline. There is a system in place that incentivizes members to upgrade to higher slots in the matrix from the profits they already made. Otherwise, they can lose profits while you can earn extra profits. This ensures that active members will eventually upgrade to all 24 slots. You can only earn ETH on active slots. How many slots can be activated immediately? As many as you want. The more slots you activate, the more ETH you can earn, and you will not miss out on any income from partners upgrading before you or matrix spillover. It is recommended to start with at least 4 to 6 slots in both Forsage X3 program and Forsage X4 program. Leaders usually start with more than 6 slots, some with 10 slots in each matrix to earn more from the beginning. You can create unstoppable passive income with Forsage as we grow and help more people around the world. For more details on how Forsage Matrix marketing works, please watch our full video. It's important to realize Forsage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Income is not guaranteed, and if you want to earn a lot of Ethereum, then you need to put in the effort. Our winning team provides all the training, resources, step-by-step tutorials, and support to help you achieve your goals. Ethereum is second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, with the most developers than any other cryptocurrency. Since 2015, it went up in value from $1 to $1,400 at the peak, and experts predict the price of ETH can skyrocket to over $2,000 in the next 12 to 24 months. It's time to earn Ethereum now. To get started, you need to install the Trust Crypto Wallet app on your phone or MetaMask ETH Wallet on your PC and deposit enough ETH there to register and then activate the amount of slots that you want one by one. Please watch the step-by-step video tutorials on how to get started.
Alright, I really hope you enjoyed the overview of this beautiful system, and as I promised in the beginning of the video, I want to give you something super valuable and life-changing that's German by the way, to make income like I do with this system. So let me log into my account real quick, like one of my accounts. And as I told you, this is only the tip of the iceberg. Like, people are doing $800,000 million with it, like I maybe at least at once. So and I use one strategy to make this income to my accounts. So what I want you to do is to click below this video and you will get to a page which will look like this one. And you will join the training here, but there's way more, because on this site I will invite you to join my super powerful strategy, which makes me the income I do make the income I do with the system. And I will show you the exact strategy, and I don't want to charge you anything for this, but I want to see that you put in the effort and that you deserve it. But it's really simple to do, and also want to spread this value here. So what I did, I created a contest. So, and in this video here, there are all the details how this works when you go to the site. But I created a contest. You will go to this site, and this will lead you to a sharing tool. And the sharing tool, you just have to click like your Facebook button, your Pinterest button, your Instagram button, your whatever Twitter button, or you just copy the link and refer 3 people to register for the contest. So people will see the system and the value. And when you referred 3 people, which is super easy when you just go into different areas, you will get a super powerful strategy directly into your inbox. That's all you need to do. And also on this page you will get our frequently asked questions, all the questions about the system. At the bottom you will see my scaling strategy, how I scale everything to the moon. You will see this very nice big special event presentation. I really love it. Beautiful presentation. And yeah, that's what you need to do. Just go to the page, join the system here, and then go to the sharing tool and register for the contest and refer 3 people, and you get my exact strategy, how I create this income I already made in like 3 months or 4 months, I'm not sure. I hope you liked this video. If you're interested in this life-changing system and in my insane bonus package, make sure to click the link below this video. Also, if you have any questions, I'm happy to help you. Just comment below this video in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will upload more valuable content. Hit me a like if you like this video, and I wish you all the best. Make sure to take action on this life-changing system. Take care, Carl.